Hey guys, Eternize here. Today we're gonna discover why this preset bank for Silent One is the ultimate preset pack for building hardstyle leads. As you may know, I just launched my new website, eternizemusic.com, and hundreds of you went and grabbed the free products and the new preset pack. If that's you, thank you for your visit, and I hope you've already found use for your products. Now, on the website there is a short presentation video of the preset pack, but that only touches on its features on a surface level. So in this video we're gonna dive a bit deeper and I want to show you what this preset pack is capable of. Let's get into it. On a surface level, the pack contains 400 individual presets, which is spread across 13 categories. 8 of those are top lead layers, and the other 5 are things like chords and low end. Now, people approach building leads very differently, but no matter your preferred method, this pack contains all the components to build a complete lead. A hardstyle lead usually consists of one or several top lead layers, and often there is a support lead layer making up the top part. Then it contains a chord layer, and then there's a layer filling out the low end. Apart from that, usually you'll find some sort of background layer like pads and arpeggiators. So this pack covers everything, all the components needed to create full leads. The vast range of sounds this pack manages to encapsulate is mind-blowing. You can create anything from the simplest leads to the most complex. From euphoric to raw style to hardcore, this pack enables any type of lead to be made. Let's look at some examples from the different categories of this pack, and I'll play the sound soloed and also in the context of a full lead. One of the big strengths of this pack is the progression of sound that is built into each of the categories. You probably noticed that the categories themselves evolved from being very simple top leads to fully distorted top leads. And that's a progression from category to category. But the more interesting thing is the progression within each of the categories. See, within each category, the sounds also start simple, and as you progress through the category, the sounds get more and more processed. Let me give you an example here. So let's take the chords here. Notice how they start very clean and then they get more and more noisy and more processed. So as I went through the presets, the character largely stayed the same, but it gets more and more processed. This is the same within each of the categories. And that's unbelievably valuable when you browse for sounds, because you instantly know when you're in the right territory. And if you want the sound to be just a little bit more or a little bit less processed, all you have to do is go up or down a couple of presets and you'll find it. And that's unique to this bank. In every other pack, the sounds are just thrown in there with no regards to the type of sound or the character it has, much less for it to progress and to be organized in this fashion. The next things to look at is quality of life upgrades, and they can all be summed up with one word: normalization. These things are totally undervalued when it comes to preset packs. And once again, for some reason, this crucial step is totally disregarded in other packs. So what am I talking about here? When I say every preset is normalized, what I mean is that the next preset matches the current one in volume, in tone, in important settings like the ADSR, the bend range, and in the portamento. So when you flick through the presets, you don't have this big jump in volume or this very bright boost all of a sudden, or ADSR settings that doesn't match, so now you have to go in and adjust it before you can actually judge the sound. That's all dealt with. In this pack, everything is consistent, or normalized as you'd say. And in the short time that I've used this pack, this has significantly sped up my workflow. Imagine not having to stop in between each lead preset to adjust EQ or level match. With this, you just go to the next preset, you go yes or no, and you move on. Apart from that, small quality of life things like disabling delay and reverb effects, and also dialing in the arpeggiator so it's actually usable with the arpeggiator presets. So now you just have to feed it a long chord and it will actually sound great. In the making of this pack, I condensed 1600 presets down to the now 400. That means that I discarded 1200 presets that simply did not make the cut. Some were duplicates, some were not mono compatible, and some were just not high enough quality for me to include it in this pack. These are the kind of sounds you do see included in other packs, you know, as fillers to bump up the numbers. But what you got to realize is that I use this pack. This is the sounds I use to make my music going forwards. And I am very picky about my sounds. Also, I put my name on this, and you may not know me personally, but I'm a person of integrity, so I simply wouldn't put it out there if I couldn't vouch for it. So to sum up what you get 400 presets, so one of the largest preset packs for hardstyle. You get a vast variety of sound. You can make any type of lead you want. Everything is neatly categorized. You get the progression, you get the normalization, and last but not least, you get the quality. I am very confident in this product. There is nothing else like it out there. Once again, this is what I use and will use going forwards. You can find this pack on my website, eternizemusic.com. I also have some free products, so if you haven't already, go ahead and check those out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.